I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony wireless headphones to a TV. First, ensure your Sony headphones are fully charged and powered on. Next, confirm your television supports Bluetooth audio output. Many modern TVs have this built-in. Keep your headphones within 3 feet of the television for the initial pairing process. This close proximity helps establish a strong connection right away. Now let's get your headphones ready to connect. You'll need to put your Sony headphones into Bluetooth pairing mode. For most models, this involves holding down the power button for about 7 seconds until you see an indicator light flashing, often blue and red. If you're unsure, a quick check of your specific headphone model's manual will provide the exact steps. This makes them discoverable by your television. With your headphones in pairing mode, it's time to connect them to your TV. Go to your television settings menu, usually found by pressing the Home or Settings button on your remote. Look for Bluetooth or sound output options. You should see your Sony headphones appear in the list of available devices. Select them to initiate pairing. You might need to confirm the connection on both your TV and headphones. If you encounter any issues, first ensure no other devices are actively paired with your headphones or TV. Sometimes, simply restarting both your headphones and the television can resolve minor glitches. Once successfully connected, you can enjoy high-quality, private audio from your television without disturbing others. This setup is perfect for late-night viewing or immersive gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.